Warren Buffett bet $1 million on this. In 2008, Warren Buffett issued a challenge to the hedge fund industry. He claims over 10 years period, S&P 500 index will outperform the performance of a hedge fund. On 31st of December 2017, they announced the result and he won. Hedge fund is basically an investment fund that picks and selects individual stock and trade actively to provide returns to their investors. Warren Buffett, a strong advocate of value investing, argues that such strategy is not profitable over long term. He further argues that a simple ETF that passively tracks the performance of an index, in this case an S&P 500, will outperform a hedge fund over a long term. And after 10 years, he was proven right. Since the announcement of the win, there has been a buzz in the investment world about the benefits of ETF. Different researchers were conducted and find that most of the actively managed funds in the market fail to outperform the boring and passively managed S&P 500. ETF's low management fee, which is less than 1% as compared to the other active funds like unit trusts, which charge around 1 to 2%, has also helped to give back more of its profit back to the investors. And back here in Malaysia, ETF has also caught some attention. Many investors start asking, what is this index fund and where can they invest in it? Do we in Malaysia have an equivalent of S&P 500? Although it is yet well known, but in Malaysia we have our own ETF that is traded on the stock exchange Bursa Saham Malaysia. Currently there's 11 ETF listed on Bursa Saham Malaysia, and there are more coming. There is a variety of ETF in Malaysia. One tracks the FTSE KLCI, which is the index of the top 30 largest company listed in Bursa Saham Malaysia. What about if you're not interested in Malaysia index? There are foreign options available too. What about the hot market to invest in like China? Trade Plus S&P New China Tracker. It tracks the S&P New China X-A share index. What on earth is that? Basically, when you invest in this ETF, it means that you are investing in big consumer brands in China that you must have heard of, such as Tencent Holdings, the company that owns WeChat, the super app in China, Alibaba Group Holdings, Haidilao, Ping An Insurance, China Life Insurance, and so on. As you can see, this ETF focuses on the new China economy, which is mainly consumer and service-oriented industries in China. Instead of buying individual Chinese listed company, which can be very costly, this way you can invest in the China market through a Malaysian ETF on Bursa Malaysia. There are also other ETF that tracks Asian Index, Islamic High Dividend Index, Bond Index, and even a Gold Index. Down in the description, I will provide you with the list of all the ETFs that are listed on Bursa Saham Malaysia. Now, all you need to do to invest in Malaysia ETF is to have a CDS account. A CDS account allows you to invest in the Malaysia stock market. So, if you have been investing in the stock market, you definitely have a CDS account. Still wondering if ETF investing is available in Malaysia? Just go ahead and open a CDS account. Or if you already have one, it's right at your fingertips. Do check out the description below for the link to a complete list of ETF in Malaysia's stock market. Want to learn more about investment and money management? Do like our page and subscribe to Mr. Money TV on YouTube for more financial education.